Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Let me ask you something serious right now. Are you completely tired of living life paycheck to paycheck? Are you working a demanding 9-to-5 job that barely covers your essential bills, while someone else profits directly from the value of your time? What if I could reveal to you that Islam actually provided the original blueprint for achieving true financial freedom over 1400 years ago? Today, I will be showing you 5 genuinely proven and completely halal methods to generate $10,000 or more every single month online. These are not theoretical concepts or vague get-rich-quick schemes. These are real businesses Muslims globally are using right now to build wealth the ethical way. And here is the most exciting part. You can actually start implementing these methods with very little to no upfront capital investment. You absolutely must stay tuned with me until the very end, because method number 5 is the one strategy that hardly anyone in this niche discusses. Yet, it is the easiest one to launch today. Before we jump into the specific ways to earn, let me be perfectly clear. Everything I present today is guaranteed to be 100% Sharia compliant. We strictly avoid any form of riba, gharar, excessive uncertainty, or any haram or questionable products in our recommendations. Allah clearly states in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 168, O mankind, eat from whatever is on earth that is lawful and good. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was himself an incredibly successful and respected businessman during his time. He did not just teach us the methods of worship, he showed us how to prosper in our lives while maintaining the highest level of integrity. And now, in this modern era of 2025, the internet has opened up financial doors our ancestors could only have dreamed about in their wildest aspirations. I have personally researched these 5 methods extensively, cross-referenced them with Islamic scholarship, and found tangible Muslims actively achieving these incomes. So please grab your notebook or open a clean document, because we are about to fundamentally change your financial future starting today, inshallah. Method number 1, the gateway to building online assets, is halal e-commerce and dropshipping. Let us face the clear reality. The entire global halal consumer market is currently valued at over $2 trillion. And incredibly, the majority of this vast market space remains significantly underserved when it comes to dedicated online sellers. Muslim consumers are actively searching across the web for certified halal products, and you can position yourself as the crucial connecting bridge. So, what exactly is this business model? It means creating an online shop selling certified halal items without you ever holding any physical stock yourself. When a customer places an order, your trusted supplier handles the entire packaging and shipping process directly to their door. This cleverly positions you as the essential intermediary, and there is absolutely nothing haram about engaging in ethical, transparent trade. You could focus on modest fashion, including beautiful hijabs and athletic wear, which represents a massive and loyal customer base. Halal beauty products, certified cosmetics, and even Islamic home duty-free core items are also extremely strong, underserved niches right now. Consider a real-life example. A sister in the UK started selling specialized modest swimwear through her own Shopify store. She located a genuinely halal, certified manufacturer, created some simple social media content, and rapidly scaled her income. Within just 8 months, this operation was consistently bringing in $12,000 in revenue every single month, and her total startup expenditure for this entire venture was unbelievably less than $500 to get things moving. So, how do you start? First, meticulously choose your niche. What specific halal products are you genuinely passionate about selling? Second, set up your professional online storefront using a platform like Shopify or the open-source WooCommerce option. Third, you must actively find and verify your suppliers on global trade platforms or through local halal manufacturers to ensure quality. Fourth, focus your marketing efforts through engaging content on platforms like Instagram and TikTok targeting specific Muslim communities. An important note on Islamic compliance. You absolutely must ensure all products carry genuine halal certification and never deceive your customers. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said the truthful merchant will stand with the prophets and the martyrs, making your honesty your greatest asset. The income potential here is quite significant, ranging comfortably from $5,000 up to $20,000 per month once you are established. And the beautiful thing is that this business model is inherently scalable. The more you expand your catalog, the more you naturally earn. Let's move to method number 2. Start a dedicated digital marketing agency, specifically serving Muslim-owned businesses. Listen very closely. There are literally thousands of halal restaurants, Islamic schools, and local meat shops that have almost zero effective online presence. This digital absence means they are constantly losing potential customers every single day simply because people cannot find them on a quick Google search. You do not need to be a secret tech genius to succeed here. You just need to master a few basic, in-demand digital skills. The essential services you can immediately offer include consistent social media management for their regular business updates. You can help them with Google My Business optimization to make sure they pop up first in local search results for nearby patrons. Offering simple, high-converting website creation or managing their initial Facebook and Instagram advertising campaigns is also critical. A fantastic brother in Texas utilized free YouTube tutorials to master these basic digital marketing strategies very quickly. He proactively approached 5 local halal restaurants and secured retainer contracts to manage their Instagram presence for $500 monthly each. He then upsold them on managing their Google ads, adding another $1,000 per client, which quickly led to $18,000 in monthly revenue. To start, commit just 2 to 3 weeks to absorbing all the free, high-quality marketing courses available on YouTube right now. Next, offer your newly acquired services absolutely free to 2 or 3 Muslim businesses just to build a powerful, results-driven portfolio. Once you have those tangible results to show, you can confidently start charging between $500 and $2,000 per client monthly. Remember, in this field, you must only agree to work with businesses that are operating within a purely halal framework. Do not ever take payment for work you have not actually completed with excellence and integrity, because Allah is always watching. The true beauty here is that Muslim business owners naturally trust and prefer to work with another fellow Muslim. You are not just generating personal income, you are actively helping your wider community achieve digital success and thrive. Now let's explore method number 3, which is a wonderful way to earn while spreading goodness, online education, and course creation. The noble prophet, peace be upon him, said that the very best among us are truly those who learn the Quran and then dedicate themselves to teaching it to others. But education is certainly not limited to just religious texts. You can monetize anything you are genuinely skilled at teaching others. The worldwide demand for high-quality Quran recitation and tajweed instruction is consistently massive and evergreen. There is also a huge segment of non-native speakers actively looking for solid, structured Arabic language courses designed for beginners. Specialized areas like Islamic finance principles, ethical investing, or even Islamic parenting offer very high-value niches to teach. We saw a sheikh in Egypt start by teaching simple 1-hour Quran sessions via Zoom, charging $20 per session. With just 20 consistent students each week, he was already generating around $1,600 monthly from live teaching alone. However, he then created a professionally recorded evergreen course teaching Quranic Arabic and listed it for $97 on a major platform. That single digital asset has now been purchased by over 3,000 unique customers, translating to nearly $300,000 in passive income. There are 2 clear paths. Path A involves live one-on-one teaching, utilizing platforms like Preply or building your own branded website. Path B is the creation of digital courses. Record your expertise one time, and then sell that premium knowledge forever for recurring revenue. To begin, you must first pinpoint the single skill you are genuinely good at. What do friends and family always naturally ask you for help with? Next, you need to rigorously test that concept by freely teaching your first 5 students and collecting powerful, genuine testimonials from them. Once validated, it is time to structure your lessons, either by recording your master course or scheduling your tutoring slots in advance. Market these amazing educational opportunities, specifically within relevant Facebook groups and across your established social media presence. When dealing with religious instruction, your utmost commitment must be to ensure the teaching is entirely accurate and never teach something you are unsure about. Price your services and courses fairly without exploiting the sincere desire people have to seek beneficial religious or professional knowledge. This method is truly beautiful because you are earning money while simultaneously spreading beneficial knowledge that becomes an ongoing charity for you. Let's examine method number 4. This is the world of halal affiliate marketing, where you recommend products you genuinely believe in. When someone clicks your unique link and completes a purchase, you earn a commission payment from the merchant without any upfront risk. You completely eliminate inventory management, the headache of customer service calls, and any need for shipping logistics whatsoever. You can promote a vast array of suitable products, such as Islamic books from online giants or high-commission digital courses. A sister created a focused YouTube channel reviewing different Islamic literature and placed her Amazon affiliate links directly in the video descriptions. Even with a moderately sized audience, those simple book recommendations generated between $3,000 and $8,000 in commissions last month. To begin this path, you must first choose your primary content creation platform, be it a blog, TikTok, or a dedicated video channel. Sign up for multiple affiliate programs that carry ethical products, such as Amazon Associates or various direct brand partnerships. The absolute non-negotiable key to long-term success in this field is only promoting items you personally use, trust, and sincerely believe in every day. If you exaggerate the benefits or lie just to capture a few extra commissions, you will swiftly destroy the trust your audience has placed in you. Islamically, you are required to disclose clearly that you are earning a commission. So transparency in every link description is absolutely mandatory. Your income potential here is truly uncapped and continues to grow organically as your valuable library of review content ages and accumulates views. Finally, method number 5, and this is the one you can seriously start executing today with literally zero financial investment, is freelancing and content creation. The entire global economy is constantly in need of specialized skills, and I guarantee you possess several abilities that people will gladly pay you for. High-demand, purely halal freelance services you can offer right now include professional writing, expert copywriting, and meticulous graphic design, video editing for online businesses, specialized voice over narration, especially in Arabic or Urdu commands, very high project rates. Other excellent options are offering dedicated virtual assistants for entrepreneurs or providing accurate professional translation services for documents. A brother in Pakistan started by offering quick voice over projects on Fiverr for just $50 per completed short audio clip. Because he had a good speaking voice and delivered excellent quality, he secured 10 to 15 orders weekly, quickly reaching $3,000 monthly. After building a strong reputation over a year, he proudly increased his rates to $200 per track, now easily clearing $10,000 monthly. To get started, create professional profiles on 2 or 3 major freelance platforms like Upwork or the gig-based Fiverr site. Crucially, begin by offering your initial services at a slightly lower rate just to secure those vital first 5 to 10 high-quality client reviews. As your positive reputation solidifies, you must systematically and confidently begin to raise your standard pricing for new clients. The long-term goal is to eventually establish your own dedicated website and secure clients directly, thus avoiding all platform commission fees. The alternative content creation path involves starting a dedicated YouTube or TikTok channel, teaching the skills you already possess. Once you meet the platform's minimum requirements, you start earning from automated ads, direct brand sponsorships, and affiliate recommendations. Many successful Muslim creators in this space are now earning anywhere from $5,000 up to $50,000, or even more on a monthly basis. For compliance, you must strictly refuse to work on any project that promotes haram endeavors, such as gambling sites or alcohol advertising campaigns. Always commit to delivering the absolute highest quality work on time, remembering the Prophet's teaching to do everything with true excellence. This final method is uniquely powerful because you are trading your directly applicable skills for money without any complicated middlemen or long waiting periods. So, there you have it. 5 incredibly proven, ethical, and halal ways for you to realistically achieve that $10,000 monthly income goal online. We discussed everything from building your own halal e-commerce store to launching a service-based digital marketing agency for our community. We also covered the long-term potential of online education, the low overhead of halal affiliate marketing, and the immediate start of freelancing. Do not let another single paycheck to paycheck cycle pass you by this year without choosing at least one path and taking decisive action today. Choose the method that speaks to your skills. Commit to learning what you don't know and begin moving towards your financial freedom. May Allah grant you ultimate success.